Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Digital IQ AI. Myself Joyanto and my friend Rahul today will again discuss something about career journey. In the previous discussion, I disclosed my experience as an MTech student from transiting from BTech. Now, Rahul will discuss about his experience about the corporate journey he accepted after completion of BTech. Rahul, can you please explain and describe your experience in industry domain?
Hi, good afternoon and good mornings, wherever it is morning. Uh, I would like to explain that today I am taking up a role of a lead level data scientist. But how I have entered into the field of the corporate? Okay, after BTech, okay, I was an electronics and instrumentation guy. So you understand, I was not part of computer science or IT. But I entered into the field of IT. Okay, my first company was Tech Mahindra. Okay, and I got the opportunity. I was placed in my campus hiring, and at that moment only, I have started preparing for that how I am going to propel my career in the field of IT. I was taking up certain certifications, okay, and web application buildings, is learning Java and learning different programming language, data structures. So those all things I was doing. Okay, eventually when we get uh, our joining was delayed due to recession. Many of the audience may face a similar issue at different phase of their time. Currently also the joinings are getting delayed by very large companies. Okay, so we faced similar problems in 2008. Our joining was delayed, and eventually I joined the organization in 2009, December. And I was trained in all the technology from Java, PLSQL, SQL, Unix, C++. So all this SQL, so all this technology I was trained. And I then, once the training is done after 1.5 month, it happened in Pune. Then we were shifted to Mumbai for delivery as part of the project delivery. So it's a large telecom company as a customer, okay, whom we started working. And the technology was again different. So the technology was of mainframe, and COBOL was the programming language, JCL, COBOL, RAIX, EasyTree, IDMS, a network-based database. So these all things are DB2 also. So these all things I started learning, and again from the scratch. And so this is one of the experience that I would like to say, that continuous learning is the only option in IT to sustain. And so I keep on learning. So then there I also got opportunity to learn continuous integration testing, with a CI, um, which we call CIT. Okay, and that too in QTP was a programming language. Okay, so we were doing what we were doing, so we were exploring new technology continuously, although we were part of mainframe project. Okay, and eventually I keep on learning more and more, micro focus COBOL, and MySQL, based on product, based on project, keep on changing. I keep on learning, and I start learning then and working in a data warehouse project where I start exploring the data engineering activity, start getting data from huge data repository of IDMS, Teradata, pulling the data, pushing into some dashboards. Those are passed through data stage. Okay, and those are used for the analytical purpose. So there from it begins. Basically, initially it was a pure application development, and then I start going into the data oriented, much more data oriented journey. Okay, and the career start happening when I switched from Tech Mahindra to Infosys. So in Infosys also I was selected based on IDMS and COBOL, JCL based on those. But eventually work was different. Work was entirely on the data engineering and data analysis. Okay, and ETL extraction, data warehousing, managing enterprise data warehousing. So these all things I started learning and working on it. And eventually, when I shift from Infosys to Cognizant, it was again started building POC and doing working with a different data structure, VSAM, parsing unstructured data, processing, loading it into database. It's also data analysis and data engineering activities coming up along close to mainframe, and again then after mainframe it is moving out of the mainframe and moving into COTS product. So how the data can be extracted, how the data can be, and how the business can be moved from one platform to another. So business is run by data. Okay, so I have to do different data mining activities, statistical analysis of the data is required. So that fascinated me, and I took up executive postgraduate diploma in management, executive PGDM in business analytics. And I go deep dive to know more about the data, more about the business aspect of the data, how it is critical, what are the different algorithms. And I move in from the data analyst, analyst, I move into business analytics aspect and then to the data science aspect. And eventually I also took up my MTech in data science and engineering to go more deep and deep, to be a specialized in that area. Okay, and customer keep on changing from Cognizant. Now I am in TCS working as a chief data scientist of a IoT utility, and also part of a product, intelligent power plant product. So eventually things happen in that way. Okay.
Very nice information, Rahul. But however, I would like to ask you a few questions. It's specifically directed to one point, because you know that your hiring was also delayed due to the recession, and nowadays people are facing layoffs. Companies are laying off their employees. So how to handle this type of difficult situation as a fresher?
See, the thing is that at this moment, these are the good moment to keep on investing on education. Okay, things will come in this are the difficult phase in life. Okay,
Right.
so I took up, in my case, when I my joining was delayed, I took up different study. Okay, eventually I took up GATE and I was appearing for university entrance exam. I took up national level entrance exams on different post graduation. So I cleared many of them. Okay, but I couldn't clear the GATE because I have selected certain subjects which have a very less number of seat. Okay, so but I have cleared multiple university exam. Okay, from Calcutta University, from WUT, from Techno, I National Institute, Teachers and Training Institute. So I have cleared multiple such exam, and but eventually I also cleared a all India level exam. That was in NPTI, National Power Training Institute. I took admission there, so I start exploring that domain. Okay, and it was really magnificent experience when you do a higher education, you go deep dive and you understand the very core concept, core domain understanding, and that
Right.
really ignite. Okay, even you cannot imagine that the learning that I have taken at that moment is getting utilized now. In the past
Okay.
2 years I have utilized those knowledge significantly. I have collaborated with different utility and the domain persons who have work experience of 15 to 20 years of experience, more than that, in the industry, power industry.
Hmm.
So that really help.
Hmm.
I can align
So,
with them as a data
uh,
scientist. I can align with them. I can think on a way a domain person think. business things. I can think in that way, and that really helped me.
So your suggestion is to explore the other opportunities along with the corporate career. If somebody is not getting hired or
Correct,
maybe
correct,
just getting laid off, right?
correct.
So to keep the other paths open
Yeah,
instead
so
of just
so
focusing.
see, at this moment, yeah, I know that for some people it is very difficult. See, one is option is that you have to opt for opportunity, other opportunity which you are getting. Okay.
Right, right.
And you can opt for education, higher education. You
Yes,
can you
right.
can opt for
Mhm.
easily. And once you do a higher education, you get some time also, 1 year or 2 years in between. You
Mm.
take a break also, you get a break, and that
Yes,
times you
absolutely.
can think, you can plan that what can I do after 2 years. Okay, you
Right.
can get a campus placement where,
Mm.
if you are doing it from a good institute, you definitely
Ah,
will get a job from
right,
there
right.
also. And the bad times which is happening now because of different reason, okay,
Mm.
that will be
That will
over, that
that
will get
yeah.
over after
Mm.
1 years or 2 years. That problematic state will get over. We have
Mm.
seen these things to happen in the past.
Mm.
Okay, this is
Mm.
normal, sometime ups and downs come in our
Mm.
life.
Mm.
So
Mm.
in
Mm. Mm.
industry also, this is a certain downtime is coming.
Mm.
Again it will go up.
Mm. Thank you very much, Rahul. Many freshers will get significant amount of encouragement from your suggestions. And thank you very much to our viewers also. Please subscribe our channel, hit the like button for our video. We will get encouraged. Please ask any questions if you have. We will make content, we will prepare our content based on your questions. Thank you very much once again. Thank you, Rahul, once again for your valuable suggestions. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
And thank you from my end also for patiently watching the video. And next topic will be much more interesting. It is for the freshers. We are maintaining a playlist for freshers, and we will make another playlist for the industry experts who want to know more and who want to know more about the advanced topic. Subscribe us, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new video. Thank you.